The third piece is this theory, conceptual framework, something along those lines. And this is going to provide a foundation for your research study. A lot of times this will come as part of your literature review, because most likely you're finding or identifying this framework out of the literature. So as you start to read about a certain topic, a certain whatever problem, you will start to see that people who are investigating these types of problems, these types of topics, will generally use the same types of frameworks to explain things, okay? Or to predict what's going to happen in their research study. Okay, so a lot of times that your framework will be close to what other people are doing. Sometimes the framework is the outcome, right? So you don't always have this up front. Okay? But the goal of using a theory or a framework is to provide an explanation for why you think certain things are going to happen in this research study. It helps you explain existing conditions and predict what's going to happen, okay? And it also gives a sense of kind of where you're coming from in terms of this topic and your understanding of this topic and how you have structured the different components of this topic within your head. Does that make sense? Okay. And sometimes the theoretical framework is kind of a combination of maybe several theories. Okay, sometimes that happens where you're using a couple of different theories to explain, the research study, the research that you're going to do. Okay, but almost always this is something that comes out of the literature, and generally speaking, people use the same kinds of theories to explain the same